Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2122 code? This code means the throttle, pedal position sensor or switch D circuit is receiving a lower than normal voltage signal. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may suffer from poor throttle response, weak acceleration, or reduced engine power. P2122 stands for throttle, pedal position sensor, switch D circuit low input. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the accelerator pedal position sensor D is sending a voltage signal lower than the expected range. This system monitors accelerator pedal movement and throttle position to control engine power and throttle response electronically. Common symptoms include check engine light on, delayed acceleration, reduced engine power, rough idle, hesitation during throttle input, and sometimes limp mode activation. In many cases, the vehicle may also show a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The accelerator pedal position sensor is mounted near the accelerator pedal assembly inside the cabin. The throttle body and throttle position sensors are located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. The wiring harness connects these components to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, moisture, and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle and pedal position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the pedal sensor connector and throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for weak voltage supply, damaged wiring, or poor grounding in the sensor circuit. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup that may affect throttle movement. If the voltage signal remains low, the accelerator pedal sensor or throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, clean the throttle body if required, replace faulty sensors or components if necessary, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2122 on time will restore proper throttle response, smooth acceleration, and reliable engine performance.